Hey everybody! Welcome back to the show. And if you're new here, welcome. Today, we're gonna learn about cows. Get ready to have your minds blown because we're about to uncover 10 lesser-known facts about cows that are movelously interesting. I mean, we all know cows give us milk and ice cream, the best part. But there's so much more to these animals than meets the eye. Did you know they have best friends? Or that they can recognize faces? We're about to dive deep into the world of cows, exploring their social lives, their amazing senses, and even their musical preferences. First up, you know how much we humans value our friendships? Well, it turns out cows do too. They form strong bonds with each other just like we do. And get this, they can actually get stressed when they're separated from their besties. Studies have shown that cows have their favorite pals in the herd, and they prefer to hang out with those friends. They graze together, they sleep near each other, and they even groom each other. So next time you see a herd of cows, remember they're not just a bunch of random animals. They're a tight-knit group of friends just living their best cow lives together. Okay, get this, cows have amazing memories. Like, seriously impressive. They can remember the exact locations of their favorite grazing spots, watering holes, and even the best places to find shade on a hot day. Not only can they remember places, but they can also remember faces. And not just other cows, but human faces too. So, that farmer who's always bringing them treats, they know exactly who that is. Scientists believe that this incredible memory is partly due to their complex social interactions. They need to remember who's who in the herd, who their friends are, and who they maybe want to avoid. So next time you're feeling forgetful, just remember the amazing memory of a cow. You know how everyone always says every snowflake is unique? Well, guess what? Every cow moo is unique too. Yep, you heard that right. Just like our voices, each cow has its own distinct moo that sets it apart from all the others. Some cows have deep, resonant moos, while others have higher-pitched, more melodic moos. And just like we can recognize our friends' voices, cows can recognize each other's moos. They use their moos to communicate all sorts of things, like their location, if they're hungry, or if they've spotted a particularly delicious patch of grass. So next time you're lucky enough to hear a chorus of moos, take a moment to appreciate the individuality of each one. All right, everyone loves a little drama, right? Well, it turns out cows are no different. They might seem all peaceful and chill, grazing in the fields, but don't let that fool you. Behind those big brown eyes lies a complex social structure and hierarchy. That's right, cows have their own social ladder, and they take it pretty seriously. They establish dominance and social rankings through a variety of behaviors like gentle nudges, headbutting, the cow version of a handshake, and even some good old-fashioned staring contests. This social structure is actually important for maintaining order within the herd. It helps them avoid conflicts, ensures that everyone gets their fair share of resources, and generally keeps things running smoothly. So next time you see a group of cows, take a closer look at their interactions. You know how much we love to put on some music and dance? Well, guess what? Cows love music too. And no, I'm not talking about Old MacDonald Had a Farm. It turns out, cows are big fans of classical music, and some farmers even play it to their herds to keep them relaxed and happy. Apparently, the soothing sounds of Mozart or Beethoven can do wonders for a cow's mood. So, next time you're feeling stressed, maybe take a page from the cow's book and put on some classical music. Okay, let's talk about cow vision for a second. Cows have an almost 360-degree field of vision, meaning they can see almost everything around them without even turning their heads. This incredible vision is super important for their survival. It allows them to spot predators approaching from any direction, so they can make a quick getaway if needed. So, next time you're feeling envious of someone's ability to multitask, just remember the cow's amazing panoramic vision. Alright, you know how some people are super picky eaters? Well, cows might just be the pickiest eaters of them all. And no, I'm not talking about refusing to eat their vegetables. Cows are actually very strategic grazers, carefully selecting the most nutritious parts of plants to eat. They use their sensitive lips and tongues to feel for the tastiest and most nutritious bites, avoiding the tougher, less palatable parts. And get this, They even adjust their grazing patterns based on the seasons. In the spring, when the grass is young and tender, they'll graze for shorter periods. But as the grass matures and becomes less nutritious, they'll graze for longer, making sure they're getting all the nutrients they need. So, next time you're feeling guilty about picking the croutons out of your salad, just remember the cow's meticulous grazing habits. Okay, get ready for this one because it's a doozy. Cows have not one, not two, but 4 stomachs. I know, it sounds crazy, right? But it's true. This complex digestive system is what allows them to break down tough plant material, like grass and hay, that other animals can't digest. Each stomach has a specific role in the digestion process. The first stomach, called the rumen, is the largest and acts like a giant fermentation vat. Bacteria and other microorganisms break down the tough plant fibers, making them easier to digest. This whole process, called rumination, is what allows cows to thrive on a diet of grass. We all know how expressive human body language can be, right? A raised eyebrow, a shrug, a knowing glance, they can all speak volumes. Well, guess what? Cows have their own complex language of body language too. They might not be able to talk, but they can definitely communicate their thoughts, feelings, and intentions through a variety of subtle cues. For example, did you know that a cow's tail position can tell you a lot about its mood? A high, flicking tail usually indicates excitement or alertness, while a low, tucked tail might signal fear or anxiety. So, next time you're around cows, pay close attention to their body language. Can you believe all these amazing facts about cows? There's so much more than just milk and cheese machines. They're intelligent, social, and emotional creatures with complex lives and fascinating behaviors. They form close friendships, remember faces, have their own unique voices, and even enjoy a little classical music now and then. They have incredible eyesight, picky eating habits, and digestive systems that would put any competitive eater to shame. So next time you see a cow, take a moment to appreciate these gentle giants. Well, that's all for our cowtastic adventure today. I hope you had as much fun learning about these amazing animals as I did. From their incredible memories to their love of music, cows never cease to amaze me. Remember, there's so much more to these gentle giants than meets the eye. Until next time, keep on moving and grooving. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the cow love.